Hi, this is Corey from Redwater Dodge, home of the Rig Ready Rams. We buy your Ram and Rig Ready approves. Beside me today, I have a 2021 Ram 1500 Classic. Super sweet truck in the nice diamond black crystal pearl. Looks so good. Blacked out grill. You got the fog lights on this one. Sport hood, so it looks nice and aggressive. Underneath the hood of this one is the 3.6 liter Pentastar V6. Nice blacked out rims. Nice blacked out badging. Mirrors with little adapters for towing, little add-on, very nice crew cab with the nice bug deflector, rain deflectors up there. Tonneau cover on this one. It's one of the tri-fold soft ones. Black badging here as well. Hitch receiver too. Backup cam as well. Lots of room there. 5.7 box. Coming around, checking out the crew cab. Nice dark window tint on the back of this as well. Lots of room, looks really clean. Seats fold up and you got storage under here as well. Super sweet. It's actually a 6-passenger truck because you got a bench seat up front, so that folds up. Very nice to have. Lots of space for everything. Super sweet truck. Only 42,500 kilometers. Quite low. If you're interested in this truck, it's a good looking one. Give us a call, 780-942-3629.